Now, we'll demonstrate how to archive or delete a client from your system. To do so, first hover over the Settings icon, hover over Configuration, and click Clients. You'll then see a list of all the clients you've added into your system, and when you hover over any particular client name, you'll get a little submenu with a variety of choices. Your options are to deactivate, archive, or delete the client. Now, deactivation simply removes the client's access to the system, but it does not discontinue billing, and lawyers at your firm can continue to access the data. Archiving the client means that not only can the client not access the system, but their billing is also stopped. Now, this can easily be undone because it doesn't actually delete their data. And last but not least is your delete option. Deleting the client not only removes their access to the system, but it also removes your ability to see their data, and it in fact permanently deletes all the data in the system. This cannot be undone. So you click the Delete This Client Permanently button. The client is now deleted. When you go back to your dashboard, you'll see they no longer appear. Deletion is only recommended when your client relationship has ended completely and you have no further obligations with their data. Otherwise, we recommend archiving client accounts.